Listen, I'm the type of husband that buys flowers for my wife almost monthly for a few different reasons. One, she loves flowers and plant life. Two, it makes the house look better. And three, it helps keep her smiling. And you always want your wife to smile, right? So I say that to say there is still a market out there for good flower shops. You just have to be willing to get started. Now, starting a flower shop can be a very rewarding venture. Very. Whether you have a passion for flowers or simply want to bring beauty into people's lives. It's an exciting business to get started if that is your deal. So let's talk about how you can get started on this flower or floral journey, whichever you want to call it, with your very own flower shop business. But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon. Put in work Burke, the wealth builder himself, for the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealthbuilderz Solutions LLC. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z Solutions LLC. And if you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, so first things first. It's essential to have a solid plan in place. Begin by searching the local market and identifying your target audience when it comes to flowers, right? Or your floral shop. Consider things such as the demand for flowers in your area, competition from existing florists, and potential locations for your shop. Once you have a clear understanding of the market, it's time to create a business plan. Okay? Now, a business plan will be your roadmap, right? It will outline your goals, your strategies, and financial projections. It should include details about your shop's concept, pricing, marketing strategies, and any additional services you plan to offer, such as floral arrangements or events or flower delivery, right? Because you want to be mobile. In today's age, you can't just be brick and mortar. You got to be able to get to these people, okay? Now, next, you need to choose a good location for your flower shop. Location. Look for space that is easily accessible, visible, and has enough room for floral arrangements, a workspace, and a display area. Consider the lease terms also, parking availability, and foot traffic in the area when making your decision. Okay, all these things have to be put together. And once you've secured a location, it's time to set up a shop, right? Invest in necessary equipment such as refrigeration units to keep the flowers fresh, display shelves, right? Vases and other floral supplies. Create an inviting and visually appealing atmosphere for your customers to enjoy, because there's nothing worse than walking into a flower shop and the ambiance is like, I don't want to be here, right? Now, to source your flowers, establish relationships with local flower growers, wholesalers, and distributors. It's important to ensure that the flowers you offer are fresh, diverse, and of high quality. This will help set you apart from your competition and keep customers coming back for more and more and more, okay? There's nothing better than having repetitive customers because you don't want to always have to get new ones. Now let's talk about marketing. You got to utilize both online and offline strategies to promote your flower shop. Build an attractive website where customers can browse your offerings, place orders, and learn more about your services. If you need hosting for your website, check out BlueHost, okay? It's a great platform to use to host your business website on. BlueHost is easy and super affordable. And it's a great company for your hosting needs because it's been around since 2003. Okay, so that's 20 years of hosting. So check it out. The link is in the description. Next up, you gotta leverage social media, okay? You got to. There's no way around it, right? Right? Because you wanna be able to showcase your beautiful arrangements, engage with customers, and run targeted advertising campaigns. And additionally, consider traditional marketing tactics also, like distributing flyers, partnering with local businesses, and participating in community events. Building relationships with their customers is key, right? So train your staff to provide great customer service and expertise. Offer personalized recommendations, help customers choose the perfect flowers for their needs, and go the extra mile to make the experience memorable, because word of mouth referrals are incredibly valuable in the floral industry, because people always want to know about the newest thing, right? And if a floral shop or flower shop, whatever you want to call it, is doing the best and providing the best flowers and the best prices and things of that nature, people are going to tell other people about it. So focus on building a loyal customer base through outstanding service. Lastly, keep a close eye on your finances. Check your expenses, monitor your cash flow, and adjust your pricing if necessary. Seek professional advice from an accountant or financial advisor to ensure you're managing your finances effectively. If you can't afford an accountant, because when you first start a business, things is tight, get QuickBooks, okay? It's easy and affordable for startups that need to keep track of spending and their finances, but don't know where to start, okay? There's a link in the description for QuickBooks if you're interested in checking that out. Starting a flower shop requires hard work, dedication, and a genuine love for flowers. But with a solid plan and a beautiful shop, fresh and diverse flower offerings, effective marketing strategies, exceptional customer service, and a good financial management, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful and blooming flower business. Get it? Blooming? You know, like flowers blooming. Now, good luck on your flower or floral journey, because the road is going to have its ups and downs and it's going to be crazy, but I know you got this. So go ahead out there and start it. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealthbuilder himself, Devon, put in work. Burke, signing off for how to start a flower shop business. Do remember, Wealthbuilders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.